What happens when customers damage your rental vehicle? Research shows damage disputes are among the top 3 customer complaints. In fact, a UK survey revealed 12% of renters thought the car was already damaged before pickup, while 27% said it wasn't properly documented. That means lost revenue and unhappy customers. The biggest pain points? Disputed responsibility, incomplete inspections, and frustrated customers who feel charges are unfair. Clearly, rental businesses need a transparent and reliable damage policy. Start with thorough inspections. Use photo and video checklists with timestamps to prevent disputes. Digital inspections create indisputable proof of a vehicle's condition, and Coastr allows you to click multiple pictures of your vehicle to accurately report damage. Supplement your repair charges with data. Knowing the typical repair costs helps you stay fair and defensible. AI tools can spot damage fast, but human oversight is crucial. Always combine automation with transparency. Simplify how you handle your claims. Provide itemized repair costs, clear terms, and quick responses to build trust. Proactively prevent damage with telematics, predictive maintenance, and fleet health monitoring. An ideal damage policy is fair, clear, and customer-focused. Track KPIs like claim resolution times and dispute rates to continuously improve. It's not just about covering costs, it's about earning trust. With smart tools and a clear process, you can safeguard your fleet and the trust of your customers. Make inspections and claims simple. With Coastr, you recover costs, protect your bottom line, and deliver service your customers trust.